Lentil and sweet potato curry is easy. Easier than your hippy dippy sister. Are you ready to be known as the best curry guy in town? Why is the lentil and sweet potato curry the ultimate vegan crowd pleaser? Well, is it really? I don't really care. Are you man enough to admit vegan food can be almost edible? Lentil and sweet potato just come together perfectly like a happily married couple. Preheat your pan to hot. Total cooking time is about 30 minutes. Here's our ingredients. One of them is a secret. Can you tell what it is yet? Check the description for a full ingredients list and quantities. Hey, if you're having a laugh, don't forget to tag Pot of Plenty on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook. I love seeing your creations. See the description for social media handles below. Have you ever wondered how a simple combination of carbs and fats can transform into something so almost satisfying? Stick around and I'll show you the secret of making the best lentil and sweet potato curry. Veganuary Special Lentil and Sweet Potato Curry. Lentils. God. Ingredients: 1 onion, 200 grams, 2 large garlic cloves, minced, 1 cup dry lentils, soaked and rinsed, 2 medium sweet potatoes, 1000 grams, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, salt and pepper to taste, 1 can 400 grams of diced tomatoes, 1 can 400 milliliters of coconut milk, fresh cilantro for garnish. In a large pot, sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic until softened. Stay tuned for a secret tip on how to enhance the flavour of garlic and onions. Add the dry lentils, stirring well. Incorporate the curry powder, ensuring an even coating. Introduce the ground cumin, stirring to infuse its flavour. Sprinkle in the coriander, distributing it evenly throughout the mixture. As promised, here's a secret tip for the garlic and onions. Add a pinch of sugar while sautéing to caramelise them slightly, enhancing their natural sweetness. Now let's move on to the vibrant turmeric. Season with salt and pepper to taste, adding not just flavour, but cool colour. Add the turmeric, providing a vibrant colour to the dish. Toss in the diced sweet potatoes, ensuring they are well coated with the flavourful mix. In a moment, I'll show how to perfectly balance the spices with our next ingredients, so keep watching. Pour in the diced tomatoes, stirring gently to combine. Gradually add the coconut milk, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. As this simmers, don't go away. I've got a fantastic tip in achieving the perfect curry consistency coming up. Reduce the heat and let the curry simmer for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or until the lentils and sweet potatoes are tender. While our curry simmers, let me show how to achieve that perfect consistency. If your curry is too thick, add a bit of vegetable broth. If it's too thin, a pinch of cornstarch and water will thicken it up. Now, let's get ready to garnish and serve this delicious dish. Adjust seasoning if needed, allowing the flavours to meld, like a vegan Vulcan. Serve the curry over rice or quinoa, garnish with fresh cilantro, or just put it in a bowl by itself. And there you have it, a perfect veganuary curry. If you like the recipe, stay tuned, where I'll show you how to make a complimentary vegan appetizer. No, I won't. That pairs wonderfully with this curry.
Why
no,
not?
it won't.
It's not yummy, it's vegan food.
It's yummy.
Are they cooked, the little lentils?
I would say
I put the lid on so I'm just leave it heat up for a little bit longer.
They could get a little bit more,
Mm.
but even like that is okay. I will also add a little bit more salt,
Do
but
that.
that's completely. Yeah.
How much more salt? So is this bowl of fucking vegan slap okay?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this what the vegans eat? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Comes together very quickly. Like there's nothing fucking to it.